What's up, guys? It's me, ZF2R here. I'm going to bring you a bike check, and because I know my other one was garbage, so here we go. First off, we're going to start with the frame, and then we're going to go from the front to the back. So the frame's a We the People Arcade 2008 model frame, and then I have a Eastern front rim, front hub. Not too sure what the front tire is. I have stolen cell bars, as you can see right there. I have We the People All Day grips. I had to overlap them because they split in two. I ordered some brand new Aaron Ross grape grips today. And then I have Odyssey bar ends, white and blue. And then I have a Demolition stem with an Eastern integrated headset. And then Eastern forks, stolen Thermalite pedals. And then salt cranks that I painted black, which I'm probably going to paint them white. And then I have a Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, 28 tooth running to the 9 tooth in the back, with an Eastern back rim back hub, with an Animal GLH tire. And I have a Shadow Conspiracy chain. And then I have a Shadow Conspiracy seat. It's kind of dirty, but yeah, that's pretty much my bike check, and I hope you all liked. See ya.